Make sure you stay until the end. It may not be the sensor that you need to replace, that way you will not waste your money. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any Vv having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you have check engine light and code P0013. Stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that, common causes of this code. Some of those are something that most people will never actually even think about it, guys. And you may just end up wasting your money for a new sensor. We'll explain how you can test the sensor and one single part that you need to replace every time you're removing that specific sensor. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on that dot charger. We'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So we have a 2018 Dodge here, guys. This is a 3.6 engine, which is actually quite common on Dodge charger, that generation, one of the most popular engines. So code P0013 relates to camshaft position sensor B, actuator, camshaft position actuator B bank 1. This is the scanner that we have right here. You can see connected. We turn the light on, off, so you can see it. Camshaft position actuator B, camshaft position actuator open bank 1. Now, if you're guys on the market for a good scanner, Foxwells are really good. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. But cool thing about this scanner is like you have the steering angle sensor is set, ABS, brake, traction control, so multiple components can be scanned with that scanner and works on almost any car. So check out the link if you want to see where we got it from. You can get it for a really good price as well. So with that being said, now this is a camshaft position actuator. On your dot charger you will have actually, guys, 4 of these. Yes, you heard me right, 4. Why? Due to the fact that you have dual variable timing, okay, VVT engine. And if we remove the intake hose right here, we pre-loosen everything to show you guys. You have that cylinder head number 1, that cylinder head number 2, also known as bank 1, bank 2, and on each cylinder head you have 2 variable timing actuators, camshaft position actuators. This one right here as well, all the way to the bottom of the engine. So let's explain now, guys, okay, what can easily cause these codes. So first, if you want to see how to replace it, we have the complete video that will teach you how to replace camshaft position actuator. But you also need to replace that gasket every time you remove the actuator, because that gasket will be really hard, flattened, and that can cause oil leaks, and that can in some cases be the cause for your code. If you have an oil leak, that can get to the wires and stuff, and that can cause that code. But code P0013 means camshaft position actuator B. So B is on the exhaust side, you're talking about that camshaft. A is on the intake side. And that's how usually the engine works. It first gets air and fuel, then it goes through the exhaust. So that's why it's B, guys. Now, if you have that code, things that can be bad. So, bad camshaft position actuator itself. We'll have a video how to replace it, how to test camshaft variable timing, camshaft position actuator on dot charger. So check it out, it will teach you all about that. Number 2, you need to inspect always the wiring harness. Make sure it's not contaminated with oil, dust, dirt, or water. We have a weather seal right here, but sometimes, okay, you can still get oil in it. We had multiple ones that they had leaks from the gaskets where oil will get on the connector in some cases, and that can affect them. Next, the wires right here. When people disconnect them, they will pull for the wires. Those are very fragile little wires. If you yank on them, you can pull them out of the connector, they will not communicate correctly, you can easily get caught. Another thing that we had, a customer parked their car and a mouse came under the hood, probably it was during the winter months, to find heat and chewed on the wires. So as a result, that was causing the problem as well. Inspect that one too. Those are some of the most common ones. And if you want to see how to replace it, we'll have the video on the channel as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.